How to add GIF to Shopify homepage. So first is to log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the section where you want to add a GIF, such as the product page or the homepage section. So once you're in the section that you want to add the GIF, tap this plus icon and select Add Section to Template. So this tab will appear, so just scroll down and select this Custom Liquid option. And then from here, I will open another tab and go to this website, jiffy.com. So this is where I will be getting my GIF. Click this embed option and then click copy code. Once you've copied the link, go back to the Shopify website and then enter the link that you've copied in this text box. And now you've uploaded your GIF. And so that is how you add GIF to Shopify homepage. Thank you and have a great day.